Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Sharma and I'm from Gwalior. I recently got placed in Tech Mahindra and it was possible by the help of Evision TechnoServe. So this is an agency, basically it helps freshers to get into IT sector who are looking to start their career as an IT employee. So they help you in everything. They provide you basic skills required to be in the IT field. Like they teach you, the teachers are so good. They will teach you all the basic things you need to know in the to be in the IT sector. So first they will teach you, then they will provide you job internship or they will get you a secure job. So that is their criteria of working. So the staff is very professional, like teachers were so good and the administration is so good that they provide complete assistance from day one to your onboarding process. So I would recommend freshers to join Evision TechnoServe if you are looking to get into a good IT company. So this is the platform. Thank you Evision, thank you all the administration, thank you teachers, thank you.